Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to delete call recordings on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now just tap on the recorded call you want to delete. And from here, just tap on the bin icon over here. Now just tap on delete to delete this specific call recording. Now, if you want to delete all the call recordings on your smartphone, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display and tap on Settings. From here, just tap on Call Recording. Now, just tap on Delete all call recordings now. From here, just tap on Delete to delete all the call recordings on your smartphone. And this is how to delete call recordings on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.